I'm going to talk about oral thrush, which is like a candida type yeast white tongue situation, and a high carb diet. Now normally candida, which is like this fungus yeast structure, lives inside your body and it doesn't bother you unless you take an antibiotic and kill off all the bacteria that are keeping this candida in check. And when you do that, you throw things out of balance, then you get an overgrowth of this yeast, and that's when you get candida. And if it's in the mouth, it's called thrush, and it's white tongue. But what's very interesting, you can also develop this by consuming a lot of sugar, because guess what it eats? Sugar. It ferments sugar, all types of sugar, milk sugar, table sugar, fructose, even things that turn into sugar pretty quick, like refined grains and starches. So any carbohydrate that you can ferment can turn this somewhat neutral candida into an unfriendly version of candida. And when it becomes unfriendly, they call it candidiasis. And it can live in the vaginal area, the skin, the throat, the mouth, and that's called thrush. It can grow in your esophagus. It can live in your GI tract. People that are at risk for getting this oral thrush are people that take steroids, people that are under a lot of stress, because stress inhibits the immune system. If someone has HIV, they're going to be at risk. If someone's taking birth control pills or estrogen, they can be at risk because too much estrogen can actually cause this situation as well. And of course, if you're diabetic, because all this extra sugar is going to feed this yeast-like candida structure. And I already mentioned antibiotics. So if you have oral thrush, one of the best remedies is grapefruit seed extract. Not grape seed extract, grapefruit seed extract. You just take 10 drops in about 3 tablespoons of water, slug it on down, do that once to 3 times per day. You can also keep it in your mouth and swish it around for like maybe 20 seconds and then swallow it. That might help. But grapefruit seed extract is a very effective natural antifungal. Hey, before you go, if you're benefiting from any of my content, I would love to hear about your success story. Please share it in the link down below.